And I think psychologists, social workers, and people who are just interested in justice in general would find this particular issue interesting. The medical examiner asked me a question about shadows, and I said, am I supposed to respond to this question in scientific terms or from my cultural perspective? And she said, oh, in scientific terms. And I said, well, I would like to respond from both angles, because even though I live in the United States, I also am a person whose culture assigns meaning to shadows. And I would like to talk about shadows here as well. I was amazed. So I made a notation on the answer sheet to say I am responding from both perspectives.